Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Umer. Our today's activity is blue ink magic activity. For this, required things are blue ink, spatula, and 2 empty beakers. First of all, I am going to fill the beaker with water, approximate 500 ml. Now I am going to put few drops of blue ink. Stir it. You can see the color blue. Now I am going to pour all blue ink and water solution in the empty beaker. The color turned from blue to transparent. Why? Actually, before doing this activity, I put few drops of bleach in one beaker. Safety first. 2 to 3 drops enough. Second beaker, same procedure, like 500 ml of water, few drops of blue ink, then again stir it, color blue, color turn from blue to transparent. Bleach contains sodium hypochlorite, which is an oxidizer. It oxidizes or reacts with the color molecule in the blue ink, so it loses its color as a result of a chemical reaction. I hope you like this activity. Bye bye.